Hi, I'm Stephen Turnipseed. For more than 27 years, I've been an advocate for learning through play, a believer in the development of soft skills through hands-on learning, and a champion for STEM education for all students. Today I'd like to challenge the way you may think about STEM education. Take a pipe cleaner, a narrow one like this, or perhaps a fuzzy one like this. Either one will work. Now take a moment. Imagine a star. With your pipe cleaner, build your best representation of a star. Look at your star. Does it have 5 points? How about 6? Or is it more of an asterisk? Is it symmetrical? Or is it lopsided? If you were to do this activity in a room with many teachers, and you looked around the room, looked at your star, everyone's star would be just a little bit different. And there's great beauty in that. But there are many, many reasons why that might occur. Did you achieve the objective? Well, certainly. You built a star. But the reason your star is different, you've been influenced by your knowledge, your experiences, your comfort with dealing with project-based learning and activities, how you react to limited materials and time. All of these factors would shape your particular star. This probably sounds familiar. This is very much like your classroom, I suspect. We all know that students bring vast backgrounds, personalities, aptitudes, motivations, levels of support, but the end goal for each student is exactly the same: to prepare him or her for a life in the present as well as in the future. STEM education is a natural format for engaged, relevant, meaningful work. STEM can meet students where they are. STEM can be made accessible to all students. This hands-on, tangible connection makes this work impactful. It makes it so much more than just understanding the core subject matter. This is the place where students learn a new way of thinking. They learn about problem solving, about creativity, about communication, collaboration. This provides relevance and context to the world in which they live. STEM education is the place where we can encourage students to fail and to succeed and to learn that failure is a path to success. It is not a destination. This simple tool, this is STEM.